Hi, welcome to a new video on the combined premium straddle that we are going to make today. Let's explore what conditions are we trying to build. So we will have an entry condition if the combined premium is more than 400. So 400 is just a number that I've selected. You can select any number, or you can also make it as a percentage on the futures value of Bank Nifty or the spot value of Bank Nifty. I'll show you how to do it. You can use any instrument as per your requirement. By combined premium, what I mean is that we will take the value of the at the money call and at the money put. So we will take the value of both of them, and we will then combine it together by summing it up. So let's say if we bought a call at 200 and a put at 200, total the entire value of the call and put would be called the combined premium. We will also have a target on that combined premium, and we will have a stop loss on this combined premium. So let's explore how to first make our entry conditions. So in our entry conditions, I have already added that time has to be more than 920, and I will add a position detail just to make sure that it doesn't take a trade again. Now, if I want to check for combined premium, I can use a condition called LTP. So actually before LTP, I will use a condition called math operation. So by using math operation, I will be able to sum up two different values. So I want to check the value of the LTP and I want to check the value of the LTP of the call and LTP of the put instrument, and I want to sum it up. So I'll select my operator as plus and I'll click on OK. Now in here I'll select instrument name. So my instrument will be NFO. I'll select Nifty Bank. I'll select current week expiry. I'll select call and I'll select ATM. So this way it will give you the ATM of call of the Bank Nifty current week expiry. Do note that this ATM that we have selected is basically based on futures value, and it is not ATM based on spot. So I will do the same for my put leg. I'll again select current week expiry, put, and I will select ATM out here. Now I'll select OK. So now I want this math operation value to be anything more than 400. Now 400 is just a number I'm selecting, but you can select anything above or below that as per your requirement. So this basically will build your logic. I'll just enlarge it a bit. So this basically will build your logic to check the combined premium of the call and the put at 920. If the time is more than 920 and your combined premium is more than 400, only in that case it will take a trade. Now let's see how do you make it as a percentage of Nifty futures or Bank Nifty futures or whatever. So if you want to build it as a percentage, what you can do is you can select another math operation. So I'll select math operation and I will select LTP out here. So now I want to find the LTP of the futures value. So I'll select LTP here and I will select number because I want to multiply it to get it as a percentage of one particular number. So I'll select my operator as multiply and I'll click on OK. So now in math operation I have selected LTP. Now in LTP I will click out here and I will select futures since I want Bank Nifty futures. So in futures, I will select Nifty Bank, Bank Nifty, and I will select a number. I'll select 0.01. So basically, this is giving me 1% of the Bank Nifty value. So in case, let's say Bank Nifty is trading at 40,000 at present, I want to multiply it by 0.01, which will basically give me a premium of around 400 rupees. So in case the premium is more than 400 rupees, only then my logic will be true. So this condition would be true only if the combined premium of the call and put instrument is more than 400 rupees. You can also add something like a VIX condition. So you can check LTP of instrument name, and I will want to check the VIX. So in order to check VIX, I will select I'll select NSE index, and out here I'll select India VIX. So if my India VIX is, let's say, more than number, and I can select a number out here, let's say 15. So in case my VIX is more than 15, then I will want to take a trade and I will submit this. Do note that India VIX may not work on the backtest, so do take care of that. Um, and I will close my entry condition, and now I will add my position. So my position is a simple sell position. So I'll select NFO, call Nifty Bank, current week expiry, quantity will be 1 lot, and I'll click on add. Similarly, I'll now select my put, underlying will be Nifty Bank, expiry will be current week, and I'll select 1 lot. Now I have added my call and put instrument. Now I will add my exit condition. So my exit condition is basically if I get target of 10% of the combined premium, which is basically around, let's say if I took an entry at 400, I will want a 10% target, which is basically 40 points below 400, which is that if it goes to 360, in that case, I want to exit. Or 5% of the will be my stop loss. So 5% of 400 would be around 20 rupees. So in case I lose 20 rupees on this combined premium, then I will want to exit. So this is what my exit condition is. So let's first build a target of 10% combined premium. So in order to build the target, we will now again use a math operation keyword. So I'll select math operation. Now I'll again select LTP and I will select LTP. And my operator will be sum. So I want the total of the LTP. Now which LTP do I want? I want the LTP of the traded instrument name. So I had traded a particular call and a particular put. I want to select the LTP only of that particular instrument and not of the ATM instrument. So I'll select traded instrument name, and now I will add my instrument. So I know I had traded my call in set 1 condition 1 leg 1. So I'll select Nifty Bank set 1 condition 1 leg 1, and I have now selected my call. Now I will select my put. So I'll select my underlying as Nifty Bank and set 1 condition 1 leg 2. So now I have got a sum of the current LTP of what these two instruments are trading at. Now I'll check if this is, first I'll make my stop loss. If this is less than, now I'll select again a math operation and I'll select traded instrument as my keyword. So traded instrument will give me my entry price. So I'll select traded instrument plus traded instrument. So now traded instrument entry price of Nifty Bank, I'll select set 1 condition 1 leg 1, and out here I'll select my second traded instrument. Again my underlying will be Nifty Bank set 1 condition 1 leg 2, and I'll select OK. Now I'll multiply this by number and I'll select 0.9 out here. So by selecting 0.9, I'll basically get 10% below the entry price. So let's assume if this math operation gives a number of 400, I want to go 10% below that, which is 400 multiplied by 0.9 will basically give me my value of 360. So if my combined premium is less than the 360 value, if the LTP, the total of the LTP is less than 360, I will exit my condition. Or I want a target now. So I'll select the same math operation keyword and I'll paste it. If it is greater than, now I'll again copy my traded instrument second math operation keyword and paste it. If it is greater than, our math operation multiplied by number, and I'll select 1.05. So basically I want 5% as the SL. So in order to capture 420, which is 5% above the entry price, I'll select 1.05 and I'll select OK. Now I can also add a condition saying time greater than number, time greater than number 315, 1515. In that case, I will exit it. So I either exit based on a target, a stop loss, or 315. So I hope this video helped. If you have any suggestions on what we should cover next, feel free to let us know in the comments below, and we will be happy to take it up in future videos. Thank you.